Bitvavo Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Bitvavo is one of Europe's most user-friendly crypto exchanges, and in this video, I'm sharing my personal experience using it. Designed for both beginners and seasoned investors, Bitvavo offers a clean interface, low fees, and support for over 190 cryptocurrencies. The platform stands out for its simplicity, ideal for users who want to buy, sell, or stake crypto without navigating overly complex tools. Bitvavo's trading fees are among the lowest in the market, starting at just 0.25%, and these decrease further as your trading volume increases, making it a cost-effective choice for active traders. For newcomers, the intuitive design ensures a seamless experience. Setting up an account is straightforward, and deposits are easy, with support for various payment methods like SEPA bank transfers, iDeal, and credit cards. For more experienced users, the advanced trading dashboard provides useful tools such as limit orders and real-time market data, making it versatile enough for different trading strategies. One of Bitvavo's strongest features is its staking options, allowing users to earn rewards on assets they already hold. With annual returns that are competitive across various coins, it's a great way to passively grow your portfolio. Security is another area where Bitvavo excels. The platform employs measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of assets, and regular security audits, ensuring your funds are safe. However, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. Bitvavo currently operates mainly in Europe, so users outside the region may face restrictions. Additionally, while the exchange offers a great balance of simplicity and functionality, it lacks some advanced features like futures trading or margin trading, which might be a deal breaker for some pro traders. In conclusion, Bitvavo is perfect for European users seeking a secure, low-cost, and beginner-friendly crypto exchange that doesn't compromise on essential features. It's especially great for those focused on straightforward trading and earning through staking. After months of use, I've found it reliable, efficient, and highly accessible. Definitely a platform worth considering for your crypto journey.